Hi guys, when I was in shower, I was coming out, I heard the rain on the roof and yeah, we had heavy rain few minutes ago and here, here's it kind of let up but still coming down pretty hard. So any was we needed a nice gentle rain. So nice, nice gentle rain for next couple days. So so I know you cannot see it on camera, but it is raining. So and you can hear it too. But and by looking at the clouds, it's kind of clear enough, but I'm not sure. We'll see. And the blue jays are squawking away like usual. Not raining as much now, but we did have pretty nice rainfall. The grass looks greener like than before. Thunder. So yeah, can by the sky is clearing up. So I'm not sure how long going lasts. Like I watch us exploring with Angelo yesterday. He said Canadian weather is untypical. It's hot, streamy hot one day. Next day it's breezing. Next day cold. And we don't know what we expect from our weather. So anyways, it's not we stop raining now. Sorry for the mess, but we're cleaning up slowly. And no, not yet the rainbow. So yeah, it's here. They say hear thunder. Might be lightning. Well, I haven't seen lightning yet, but as I speak, it might come. So, anyways, I'm going to go and see you guys later.